In this video, I will show you how to enhance your CreamSoda experience by integrating your email and calendar and syncing your contacts. By linking your email with CreamSoda, you can automatically log emails to a contact profile and schedule follow-up tasks that appear on your calendar. You can also track who opens your emails and click on links, and view detailed stats on your email campaign performance. Plus, syncing your contacts from your email provider is seamless. Once you enable Email Sync, any email exchanges with a contact will show up on their contact profile. It's important to note that CreamSoda will only log email exchanges with existing contacts. Other emails, such as personal conversations, will not be logged, ensuring your personal communications remain private. If you enable Calendar Sync, any follow-up task or meeting you create in CreamSoda will be automatically synced with your work calendar. This two-way integration ensures that you never miss a follow-up with your contacts. You can also sync contacts if you enable the Contact Sync option. This functionality ensures that CreamSoda always has the latest information about your contacts. To start, click on My Profile from the top left menu. Next, head over to the Integrations menu. You'll see options to add Google Workspace or Microsoft account sign-in. Choose the one you want to link. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by your email provider to complete the integration process. After integrating your email, click on the Sync button to customize what you want to sync with CreamSoda. And that's it! Your account is now linked with CreamSoda.